Hello everyone, welcome you all. I am Shenbagolli from Bharati Dasanar Metric Higher Secondary School, Arakonam. Are you ready to learn? Yes. Now we are going to see JEE Main Mathematics. Chapter is Quadratic Equations. Relations between roots and coefficients. Now we will going to see problems based on relations between roots and coefficients. Problem number 1. If tan 25 degree and tan 20 degree are roots of the quadratic equation x square plus 2px plus q equal to 0, then 2p minus q is equal to option A minus 2, option B minus 1, option C 0 and option D 1. Now we are going to see the solution. What is given? Tan 25 degree, tan 20 degree are roots of the equation. We know sum of the roots is equal to minus b by a and product of the roots equal to c by a. General form of the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is the general form of the quadratic equation. What is given? X square plus 2px plus q equal to 0. This is our given equation. X square plus 2px plus q equal to 0. Here roots are tan 25 degree and tan 20 degree. Sum of the roots. So tan 25 degree plus tan 20 degree is equal to minus b by a. Here b value is 2p, a value is 1, minus 2p and product of the roots, that is tan 25 degree into tan 20 degree equal to product of the roots equal to c by a. Here c value is q, c value is here q, a value is 1. So q. Tan 25 degree plus tan 20 degree is minus 2p, tan 25 degree into tan 20 degree equal to q. Okay, now we are going to see the solution for this one. We know the formula, tan of a plus b equal to tan a plus tan b divided by tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b. This is the formula. So here we are using, instead of a and b, 25 degree and 20 degree. So what will happen? Tan 25 degree plus 20 degree equal to tan of a plus b equal to tan a plus tan b. So tan 25 degree plus tan 20 degree divided by 1 minus tan 25 degree into tan 20 degree. So which is equal to tan 25 degree plus tan 20 degree is minus 2p by 1 minus tan 25 degree into tan 20 degree, that is nothing but q. So here 25 plus 20 45 degree, tan 45 degree is 1. So 1 equal to minus 2p by 1 minus q. So that is nothing but 1 minus q equal to minus 2p. So 2p minus q plus 1 equal to 0. 2p minus q is equal to what? Minus 1. So 2p minus q is equal to minus 1. Option B is your correct answer. Next one. Next we are going to see the second problem. Suppose 0 less than alpha less than beta and 2 alpha plus beta equal to pi by 2. If tan alpha tan beta are roots of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then option A tan alpha equal to C minus A by B. Option B, tan beta equal to C plus A by B. Option C, tan alpha equal to B by C minus A. Option D, tan beta equal to minus B by C plus A. How to find the solution for this one? Now, what is given? Given equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. It is given. This is our given quadratic equation. Also given 2 alpha plus beta equal to pi by 2. Tan alpha and tan beta are the roots of the equation. We know sum of the roots equal to minus b by a and product of the roots equal to c by a. So, sum of the roots is tan alpha plus tan beta equal to minus b by a. So, minus b by a. Product of the root is nothing but what? Tan alpha into tan beta. That is c by a. What is your c value? Here c. Because we are giving the general quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So, here c by a. Also it is given alpha 2 alpha plus beta, given 2 alpha plus beta equal to pi by 2. It is given 2 alpha plus beta equal to pi by 2. From that you have to write alpha plus beta equal to pi by 2 minus alpha. Because 2 alpha can be written as alpha plus alpha. So, we are writing here alpha plus beta equal to pi by 2 minus alpha. Yes. We know the formula, the same formula, tan of a plus b equal to tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b. Now, we are using that formula, tan of, here tan alpha tan beta are the roots, therefore, we are using tan alpha plus beta equal to tan alpha plus tan beta divided by 1 minus tan alpha into tan beta. So, tan alpha plus beta. So, tan of, what is your alpha plus beta value? Pi by 2 minus alpha. Pi by 2 minus alpha. Tan alpha plus tan beta equal to what? Minus b by a divided by 1 minus tan alpha into tan beta value is c by a. So, this is nothing but what? Minus b by a divided by a minus c by a. A get cancelled. Next one, tan 90 minus alpha. Pi by 2 is 90. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Therefore, we can write this as cot alpha equal to minus b by, taking minus common outside, minus of c minus a. Minus minus get cancelled. So, b by c minus a. This is your cot alpha value. We know cot alpha is nothing but what? 1 by tan alpha. So, 1 by tan alpha value is this one. From that you have to write what is tan alpha. So, tan alpha is nothing but reciprocal of this one, that is c minus a by b. So, tan alpha value is c minus a by b. So, option A is your correct answer. Next we are going to see the third problem. If alpha and beta are the roots of the equation x square minus 2x minus 1 equal to 0, then value of 5 alpha power 4 plus 12 beta cube is what? Option A 153, option B 169, option C 183, option D none of these. How to find the solution for this one? The same thing we are using, that is sum of the roots is equal to minus b by a and product of the roots equal to c by a. We know the general form of the quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. We are using the here relation between coefficients and roots. Yes. Now, the given equation is x square minus 2x minus 1 equal to 0. This is our given equation. From that, what is given? Alpha and beta are roots. Therefore, alpha and beta must be satisfies the given equation. It will become alpha square minus 2 alpha minus 1 equal to 0. From that you can write alpha square equal to what? 2 alpha plus 1. In a similar manner, beta is also a root, therefore beta must satisfy the equation. So, that is nothing but beta square minus 2 beta minus 1 equal to 0. From that you have to write what is beta square. Beta square is nothing but 2 beta plus 1. Alpha square value is what? 2 alpha plus 1. In a similar manner, beta square value is nothing but 2 beta plus 1. Yes, we know very well sum of the roots equal to minus b by a. So, alpha plus beta equal to, what is your b value here? Minus 2. Minus b by a means simply 2. Product of the roots is nothing but what? C by a. What is your c value? Minus 1. Minus 1 by 1, simply minus 1. Yes. Now we are going to find the value of this one. Yes. Alpha power 4. That is nothing but what? Alpha square the whole square. Alpha square value is what? 2 alpha plus 1. 2 alpha plus 1 the whole square, which is equal to a plus b the whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab, that is 4 alpha square plus 1 plus 4 alpha. Instead of alpha square, you have to substitute, that is nothing but 2 alpha plus 1. 2 alpha plus 1 plus 1 plus 4 alpha. That is 4 2s are 8 alpha. Here also 4 alpha. So, totally 12 alpha. 1 into 4, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. This is our value, alpha power 4. Now, we are going to find the value of beta cube. Beta cube, already we know beta square is 2 beta plus 1. Then multiplying both sides by beta, beta cube equal to 2 beta square plus beta, which is equal to 2 into, what is our beta square value? 2 beta plus 1. So, 2 beta plus 1 plus beta square value is 2 beta plus 1, then plus beta write as it is. 2 into 2, 4 beta. 4 beta plus beta, 5 beta. So, beta cube is nothing but 5 beta, 4 beta plus 1, 5 beta, 1 into 2, 2. This is our beta cube value. Now, we are going to find 5 alpha power 4 plus 12 beta cube. 5 alpha power 4 plus 12 beta cube equal to 5 into, what is our alpha power 4 value? 12 alpha plus 5. 12 alpha plus 5. Then plus, what is the value? 12 beta cube. 12 beta cube. Beta cube value is what? 5 beta plus 2. 5 beta plus 2, which is nothing but 5 into 12, 60 alpha plus 5 into 5, 25 plus 12 into 5, 60 beta plus 12 into 2, 24. So, 60 is common for both the value alpha and beta. So, 60 into alpha plus beta, the remaining term is 25 plus 24, that is 49. So, 60 into alpha plus beta is what? Alpha plus beta equal to 2. So, using that value, 120 plus 49. So, what is the value of 120 plus 49? 169. Therefore, the value of 5 alpha power 4 plus 12 beta cube is 169. Option B is your correct answer. In this session, we have discussed relationship between coefficients and roots related problems. Yes, thank you very much. We will see in the another session.